How to fix YouTube connection to server lost on YouTube PC. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and simply refresh the page and then go ahead and check your internet connection and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection and refresh your page and see if that helps. If not, then if you are connected to any type of VPN or proxies, then go ahead and disable VPN and proxy for the time being, as YouTube blocks unstable VPN IPs. See if that helps, and if not, then you can try to open YouTube incognito mode or private mode for the time being. To do that, simply press the keys on your keyboard, that is Control plus Shift plus N if you are using Chrome or Edge, and if you are using Firefox, you can press the keys, that is Control plus Shift plus B. See if that helps, and if not, then on Chrome itself, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option there, and then tap on the privacy and security option. Here you will see the option for delete browsing data. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will be led to, make sure to select all the checkboxes in here and then select the time range to all time and then tap on the delete from this device option. Once deleted, restart your browser and see if your issue is fixed yet or not. If not, then you might need to disable extensions. To do that, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen again and then tap on the extensions option. Further, tap on manage extensions and now go ahead and remove or disable extensions like AdBlock, AdGuard, uBlock if you have them, and then restart your browser and see if that helps. If not, if you are using Windows, then you can try to flush your DNS or change DNS to Google DNS, as this will fix server connection issues. If not, then you can try using a different browser, such as if you are facing issue with Chrome, you can open Safari or Edge or Firefox, and similarly, it works for the other apps too. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then also make sure that you are using a correct date and time, as incorrect time breaks SSL connections. So go ahead and set your date and time to automatic. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it could be that YouTube is down globally, so you can simply wait for YouTube server to work just fine by simply waiting for the time being. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube connection to server lost on YouTube PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.